Hi everybody, I have returned, and now it's time for the main event of night 2 of Judgment Jack. Introducing first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, give it up for Blanc Fine. And his opponent, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, representing the Davis boys, give it up for Adam Davis. And his opponent, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, representing Evolution, give it up for Bill Black. And his opponent, he is the reigning and defending JWE Crazy 8 champion from Minneapolis, Minnesota. Give it up for Grim Reaper. And his opponent, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, representing the Generation X. Give it up for Georgie Boy. And here we go. Georgie Boy and Blanc Fine are going at it. Adam and Bill are going at it here. Oh, went for the clothesline. German suplex there by Grim Reaper and Bill Black. Georgie Boy's taunting. Flow of a DDT by Grim Reaper on the Adam. Grim Reaper has Georgie Boy. Drops him down. Adam's over the top rope, but not eliminated. Alpha Man is still in here. German suplex. Blanc Fine still in here. Alpha Man. Adam elbow shots to the chest of Blanc Fine. Blanc Fine got dropped. Adam hit him with the Bill Black gets German, gets the Russian leg sweep by Adam. That's the helicopter spin there on the Blanc Fine. STO backbreaker connects. Down goes Grim. Grim Reaper now on the bottom rope. Georgie Boy gets clothesline. Bill picks Adam up. Oh, went for the butterfly suplex, got reversed. Georgie Boy now. Oh, springboard moonsault DDT connects. Georgie Boy's underneath the bottom rope now. What a back body drop there by Adam on the Bronc. Adam picks him up. Hello to the top turn. Buckle. Bronc finds in the corner. Georgie Boy picks up Bill, but Bill reverses it. Adam's on against the ropes. Adam Davis is eliminated. Holy sugar plum fairies. He is out of there. Springboard cutter to Blanc Fine by Grim Reaper. Holy cannolis, folks. This match is amazing. Oh. Belly to belly suplex by Blanc Fine to Georgie Boy. Georgie Boy now is in trouble. He gets Blanc up, drops him down. Grim Reaper's in trouble. Grim Reaper. Bill has him up. Grim Reaper. Over the top. Alley-oop by Georgie Boy on the Blanc Fine. Blanc Fine now grabs Georgie Boy. Drops him down. But Georgie Boy gets up. Achilles lock being applied there by Blanc Fine on the Georgie Boy. Georgie Boy reverses it. Bill Black in the corner. Bill Black. Bill Black. Georgie Boy now picks up Bronk. Hang him up the ropes. Picks Bronk flying up. Bronk flying over the top rope. But not eliminated. Bronk fine. No. Bronk fine survives. He is not out. Bronk fine grabs Georgie Boy, but Georgie Boy reverses. Bronk fine grabs Georgie Boy. Puts him on his shoulders. Say hello to the top turnbuckle. Alley. You. Georgie Boy's down. Georgie Boy crawls over to the corner and stays there. Bronk fine punches Bill in the back. Bill Black! Bill Black! Bill Black is still in this. Holy sugar plum flavors with chocolate sauce. Bill now throws Georgie Boy in the corner. Georgie Boy is on top of the turnbuckle. Can he survive? Grand Rapids eliminated. So is Georgie Boy. We're down to 2. We're down to 2. We're down to Bronk Fine and Bill Black. Holy cannolis. Springboard DDT. Springboard moonsault DDT by Bronk. Bronk Fine gets reversed. Bill. Down he goes. Into an arm breaker. Armbar applied. Bronk Fine is gonna need a... Bill picks him up. Grabs Bronk. Lines him up. Bill Black has done it. He's made history here tonight at Judgment Jack. Here is your winner. And the new JWE Crazy 8 champion, Bill Black. Thank you so much for watching night 1 and 2 of Judgment Jack. You guys are amazing. I'll see you next time. Jackhammer.